Imagine being able to plan, write, edit, and post all your content in one place, without switching tabs or juggling apps. In 2025, one AI platform finally made that possible. It's not just another tool, it's your personal creative studio powered by artificial intelligence. You start with an idea, and the AI instantly turns it into a ready-to-publish YouTube script, blog, or short-form video. It suggests visuals, generates titles, and even predicts which topics will perform best this week based on real data. This tool learns your style, tone, and goals, then adjusts everything to match your personal brand. It's like having a full creative team that never sleeps. In this video, I'll walk you through every feature, show you real examples, and share how I use it to produce daily videos effortlessly. If you've ever wanted to create more with less effort, this AI might be your new secret weapon.